Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic headless browser execution in Selenium. Headless execution means running Selenium test without opening a visible browser window. The browser still opens in the background, but nothing is displayed on the screen. Headless mode is mainly used in CI/CD pipelines, servers without UI, faster automation execution. In real projects, headless execution saves time and system resources and is widely used in Jenkins, Azure, DevOps, and GitHub Actions. Selenium supports headless execution by configuring browser options before launching the driver. Now, I will show you a headless execution example. Here, Selenium launches Chrome in headless mode, opens Cognito, and prints the page title and URL in the console. So let me run the application and see whether we are able to see the output. Here you can see we are not able to see the browser because running in headless mode, title is printed, URL is printed, and once I press enter, application will be stopped. Even though we didn't see the browser, still Selenium is still interacting with the application. Headless execution is essential for automation in CI/CD environments. Next, we will continue with the next fundamental topics from the syllabus, and thank you.